Oh, so new week under a new name, Vanzilla. Woohoo! Right. So had some wood delivered, thankfully, and now before I get the wood in, I've just got to do a few little housekeeping duties. I just put the wool insulation in place where I've been lacking on doing that, just because I was waiting for the right time, and I wasn't too sure what I was doing with wires, etc. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, we're going to crack on with that. Um, as you can see, new plyboard, and cladding is in my house. It's taking up all the living room, which my wife is thrilled about because we're all having to step over it. Yeah. Anyway, let's do this. Hopefully, I don't run out of. I've already started doing a little bit, as you can see, fluffy fingers. I'm not turning into a werewolf. But yeah, let's get this cracking. Hello, new day, another day. Kids on school break, so time gets chewed up very quickly, and they, as any parent will know, kids take up a lot of time. So here I am. I'm going to make the best of what I can and do the most of what I can. I need to get this done. Anyway, as you can see, seats are gone. Woohoo! More space. But also, I decided on the colour of the floor. Not this. Let me show you a bit more closely. So flooring, we're going for this light oak. Really nice and bright. And we're going to go for a laminate, but a lightweight laminate, because as we all know, you have to save weight in these builds. But also, here is the roof. I've got several lengths of this lovely pine cladding, which can be stained or painted to any colour. I think it'll give a really nice feel for inside the camper. Nice and homely, and I don't know, a bit like a cottage, I suppose. Got my first length of wood ready to cut for the ceiling. Got everything all ready up. I've measured, as you can see. My Kia, the beast, the battle bus as I call it anyway. Yeah, nice little bit of wood there ready to cut. And then we're going to put that, obviously, up there. So yeah, hopefully this goes swimmingly. The only fiddly bit is obviously around the extractor fan, but that's not a problem. I can cut and maneuver my way around that. Oh, right, so I suppose now it's time for a mode. It says it'll look like I'm working really quickly, but in reality I'm just slow. All right, let's do this. Right, so this may be all I've got time for today. Obviously, I'm going to continue this on day by day by day by day, and I'll just keep recording what I do. But I need to obviously get a video out this week. So I'm going to leave this video on a cliffhanger. Unfortunately, the wood I've got, even though it was stored flat and in a dry place, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Let's see if I can get this on camera so you'll be able to see. Ignore my house, not like that. I don't know if you can tell at the end there, all the wood is twisted, every single piece. So ultimately, that makes fitting it a rather pain in the backside because it's just not, you got to fight it every step of the way. Which I shall do, but I've also contacted Travis Perkins to see whether they will exchange the wood for some wood that is actually straight and square. These things happen, you know. It's just one of those things. But like I said, all the way along, I'm going to show you the good, bad, the ugly, and this is one of the ugly bits. Sometimes the wood is just not square, and it's a battle. That last piece was a doozy to get in. Yeah, bit by bit, I'm going to get it in. Just got to fight, and hopefully Travis Perkins get back to me. I'd imagine they're open on Monday rather than Sunday, so they'll get back to me on Sunday, and we'll go from there. Because that's a battle. It's an absolute battle, but it'll be worth it when it's done. Not the end result I'd like to finish on, but it is what it is. So I'd like to just say thank you very much for watching, and if you could like and subscribe, follow us on Facebook, share our pages, share our videos. It really helps, and I'll see you next week. Bye.